Okay, once again, this is JD from Wix.com, AWD Wix, here to show you a short tutorial on how to add shipping, taxes, and payments to your e-commerce store. So you just simply log into Wix.com, find the site, select it, and let it load. This will bring you to your dashboard. You have your dashboard, and you will have your site editor over there where you can edit your website. But this is in your dashboard. Now, in order to set up shipping first, go down to settings, look for shipping and fulfillment. And this gives you the options in here. On the domestic, free shipping, flat rate, rate by weight, rate by price, rate by product, USPS calculated rate, which I would use, and then you just put in a time you think it would be delivered, 3 to 5 days. And then there's other stuff. If you want to do local delivery or pickup, you can add that stuff. Now if you go back to, that's how you do shipping. Like I said, there's two here. International, most people keep off unless you want to ship across seas. That's up to you. You go back to settings, and let's go to e-commerce settings. I would just go in here and fill this out to the best of your knowledge. All right, this is totally up to you. But it's a good thing to go through that e-commerce settings. Now you go back to settings. Okay, let's go over here to accept payments. Click that. Now this is to set up your payments for your store. So you could, use AutoPay, you can use PayPal. If you go down to the bottom here, you got manual payments. See more options, and they have a lot of people you can connect your payments with. And they even have third party, which go down, you got like these, like Square. I use Square. All I'd have to do is click connect, put my Square email in, and it connects to the website. And that's pretty much how you set up your payments, which you need to have your payments if you're selling products. Once again, if you go back to settings and you can go into tax, if you want to set up taxes, I would use this right here and upgrade to it because it automatically calculates everybody's taxes. And if they change taxes, it automatically calculates it and you never have to worry about it. So that's how you do shipping, taxes, and payments inside your Wix e-commerce store. Thank you for watching. God bless and stay safe.